hips. Good.
This is just me being immature.
That was cool. I want you to drop those shoulders all the way down to the ground. Let the arms just hang heavy, heavy, heavy. There you go. One more time, and... I was actually expecting her to fart in my face, but I was going to take one for the team.
Just like that. And we're back.
Deep breath in and out. That's gonna be the best video on the planet. It's so cute. Good girl, Jenna. Alright, another one. Big breath in. Who said that to me? I do!
Okay, well. Every time. Okay.
Just me being immature. I got nothing else on that. I am embarrassed.